Do you know why your heart makes that thumping noise? The answer is valves. This is Insomniac Anatomy Academy, where I have insomnia, I study anatomy, and I tell you the best parts, episode 95. When you hear your heart thumping, what you hear and feel are the snapping shut of the valves inside the heart. Doctors usually describe this sound as a lub-dub sound. The lub, the first whump, is the blood running from the atria into the ventricles from top to bottom. And the dub, or the second whump, is the ventricles shoving the blood out of the heart to the lungs or to the body. The whumping is the sound of the one-way valves in there snapping shut to stop blood going backward. The actual pumping of your heart makes no sound at all.